Soft washing has become a popular cleaning method within the contract cleaning business in the last few years. The method of soft washing uses a special solution blend of chemicals that consists of water, sodium hypochlorite, also known as liquid chlorine bleach or bleach alternative, and a surfactant that is sprayed via an adjustable spray wand at low pressure and high flow volume. The solution is applied mainly upon house rooftop asphalt shingles, house vinyl siding, wooden decking, asphalt pavement, blacktop driveways, and other building exteriors, which will safely remove mildew, bacteria, algae, moss, mold spores, and other organic stains. The soft wash method is used versus the traditional method of power washing to help prevent damage to asphalt shingles, vinyl siding, aluminum gutters, downspouts, asphalt pavement, blacktop coating, wood surfaces, and other building materials that can easily get damaged by high pressure water. Most asphalt roofing manufacturers recommend or require cleaning your roof only by soft washing with low pressure bleach or detergent and threaten to void their warranty on the asphalt shingles if cleaned using the pressure washing method. Aquatech USA has been an industry leader in cleaning equipment trade since 1988 and sells, services, and rents only the highest quality and best product that will guarantee our customers years of reliability for the longest lasting equipment that is serviceable by their trusted team of trained and experienced technicians. Contact one of our sales team personnel to schedule a visit at our showroom or your location to demonstrate the Aquatech Soft Wash system. Give us a call at 908-852-6110 or email us at info@aquatech-usa.com.